Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. Well, in front of me here I have a very interesting device, a Razr 5G. This will be an unboxing video of this device and also a first look. I'll show you how the device looks and some general notes on it. More videos will definitely follow. So let us take a look. We have a huge box. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. We have the Razr 5G writing here, and on the other side we have the Motorola logo, even though Motorola is currently owned by Lenovo. To check out its sheer size, just take a look at it. I don't have a huge palm, but even so, it's big. You can definitely see it. You can see here a graph on the way it's supposed to sit. So only upright. You can definitely see the way it opens. Let's check out the bottom for a second. We do have the Razr 5G writing once again. We have the model number, which is XT2071-4, and some of the first specs, 8 plus 256. The first number being the RAM memory, and the second one the internal storage. And very interestingly, and something really unusual, Motorola also mentioned the approximate available storage, which in this case is about 228 gigabytes. Very nice, and yeah, I quite like this. One last thing and then we'll continue the unboxing. You can see that the phone is made in China. Let us open this bad boy. So after opening it, we have here a, well, screen protector of sorts. And then we have the phone in its unfolded state. Let's remove it for a second. It's very interesting that we can remove it with the rubber stand that it's in. We have the Razr logo here. And this case, if I may call it so, it's the accessories box. Definitely the most impressive one I've ever seen. If I were to guess, and not see the writing, I would guess it's a case for maybe a pair of sunglasses, Ray-Ban or Oakley sunglasses, so something really good quality. Let's open it up and see the box contents. Again, magnet action, really nice, really high quality. We do have here some manuals. Here we have a small graph of how the SIM card tray works, and check out the true contents. Here we have some additional earbud thingies, quite a few. So we have two pairs. We have a USB Type-C cable, standard one, so USB Type-A to USB Type-C. The charger, turbo power Motorola charger, which is 18 watt. You also get this pair of headphones, which are really nice. They have the Denon writing with the remote here. They truly are pretty high quality, at least in the way they look. I haven't actually worn them or checked them out. I'm not really comfortable with the earbuds or headphones that have these kind of rubbers that isolate the outside noise completely. But from a build perspective, they are definitely top notch. You can see the braided textile cable. Of course, they are USB Type-C. So you can definitely see that we have a pretty rich package and a very high quality package. That is to be expected. I haven't really discussed about the price, which it's, well, almost prohibitive, 1500 euros, at least new. Let's put everything aside. This USB cable wants to run away. Let's put everything aside and check the phone out, because this is the real star in this video. Forgot to mention that in the box you also get this SIM ejector tool, pretty typical and, well, definitely mandatory, given that you have to use it in order to insert a SIM card. So here's the phone. Sorry for any dust particles. This phone is definitely a fingerprint magnet. Let me just close it up so I can show you the outside for a second. Just take a look at it. At the first sight, you won't say that it has an external screen, but of course it does. Everything on the front, on the back is Gorilla Glass 5. The frame is aluminum and the hinge is stainless steel for additional resistance. It's quite nice that the phone is, well, quite heavy. I can tell you this from the start. It's quite heavy, pretty solid feeling overall. Indeed, it does have some plastic, like here, but the overall construction is top notch. I cannot really say anything bad about it. Let's open it up and check out the internal screen. It looks pretty nice. You cannot really notice any creases unless you know the angles. Yes, there are some creases, but in daily usage you don't really see them. Let's boot it up. A very nice boot up animation. And now we're already in. It looks pretty nice. It has some bezels, indeed. So you can see the black border here and on the top as well. But it looks good. And just the fact that you can close it like this, and now you'll have a totally different device. It's incredible. So on the outside, you do have an outer screen, which is of course fully usable. It does have a touchscreen and everything else. It's a 2.8 inches screen. This front OLED screen is 6.2 inches. And yes, it does have the rather tall aspect ratio, similar to what you have in the Xperia devices. But compared to those, of course, you can fold it immediately and it's pretty small, smaller than a wallet, I guess. On the left side, you have the power button. You can see the way it works, pretty typical. On the right side, you have the volume rocker. On the bottom, you do have the loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, and the SIM card tray. On the top, you have this stainless steel hinge, and on the back, well, a fingerprint scanner, which works rather well, and some razor writing, along with a microphone. On the front, of course, we do have another microphone, this very interesting outer display, which, as I told you before, is 2.8 inches, and the front camera, which has 48 megapixels, an f1.7 aperture, and an LED flash with another microphone. Pretty typical setup. This camera can be used as a front camera or as a back camera if you open the device. Here you do have another selfie camera, 20 megapixels, and the earpiece, which unfortunately doesn't double as another loudspeaker. This phone only has a mono speaker here on the bottom. This is only a short introduction video of this device. More videos will definitely come. And yes, you may have seen something in that corner. This is, well, its grandfather, a Motorola razr V3, the device that started it all, and the device which makes this phone on the left that much more interesting. I'll probably do a video comparison between the two, but I will definitely have more videos on the Razr 5G device. You can check out the beautiful build quality and the fact that the display looks really well. I've used this device for a while and it's definitely a cool phone. It definitely is different than anything else on the market. It attracts the attention of everyone because nobody has seen anything like it. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. In the video description, you'll find the links to my social media and to my Patreon accounts. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. Thank you so much. Wish you a great day. Stay safe, guys. Bye.